All right, welcome. Today we're going to make one of the easiest and most sought after appetizers we make around here, which is bacon wrapped jalapeno shrimp. So this is what the end product looks like, and it's really simple, and the ingredients are simple. It's just time consuming is the hardest part of this. So your ingredients are very straightforward. You need fresh jalapenos, white onion, whole shrimp that's I've already peeled these and deveined them, and then bacon and Tony sauce. So essentially what you're going to do, toothpicks is another key ingredient, and one key thing about the toothpicks, make sure you just get the regular natural toothpicks, don't get the colored ones because the color will come off on the grill, and these things are going to burn up on the ends. So just get the natural toothpicks. But essentially what you're going to do, once you've done a little prep work, you're going to take a piece of jalapeno. So I've cut up the jalapenos in about, it's about an inch long by half an inch. You're going to stick that on the toothpick.